Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and today in this video we are going to talk about something that I am sure you are facing right now. Okay, so there is this problem that I observed with all the English learners, that I can say it's a general problem that people focus too much on perfecting their grammar. Okay, right in the beginning level, and they are focusing on grammar is so much, they want to be become so good at their grammar that they actually you know lose their focus, their connection from learning how to speak in English fluently. Okay, एक्चुअली वो चाहते हैं कि हम ग्रामर में परफेक्ट हो जाए, वो कनेक्शन छोड़ देते हैं कि भाई हमें तो बोलना सीखना है, इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना है. ओके, एंड दिस इज माय ओपिनियन, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू माय ओपिनियन. ओके, सो आफ्टर लिसनिंग मी, मोस्ट ऑफ you are going to agree with me. Okay, the thing is that you feel that okay, that you have to learn proper grammar in order to speak in English fluently, and I want to actually disagree on this. Okay, I want to tell you that despite of not having so much grammar, not having over command on the grammar, you can still fluent in English. Okay, I have come across so many people in my life who could actually place their words right after one or one, okay, in a sentence while they speak in English, and they would they are making different type of mistakes. Okay, they could speak fluently but they were making mistakes. Okay, they were making grammatical errors, and I want to say something here, that making a few grammatically mistake error here and there, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay, so probably you have made it big deal in your mind. You are thinking, what if I make different type of mistakes in grammatically mistakes? So only you are thinking in your mind. What I want to say here is in a sort that your focus on speaking fluent English, okay, should be more than your focus on speaking perfect grammar. Okay, first of all, you don't have to learn grammar. Grammar is not something that that can be learned. Okay, of course you will learn grammar with the help of your practicing. Okay, that will happen eventually while learning what you want to say. What I want to say here is that you can't just open a book and start mugging things. Okay, mugging things up, you can't mug them up. Okay, you can't mug grammar up. Okay, so grammar and other thing, perfection is going to happen with time. So it takes time. Okay, it's going to happen over the years. Everyone makes mistakes. Okay, and not just us, even native speakers, I mean to say the people who want with this language, who want with all the environment having a English, they also make mistakes. They also do make grammatically errors. Children make errors, and then they grow up, they of course I mean to say they are so exposed to that environment that eventually their mind absorbs it. Okay, so that's how it happens. Okay, so grammar is something that your mind absorbs over the time. Okay, when you are exposed to a lot grammar, okay, of English around you, and then okay, if you are not exposed to it, there are some steps that you can actually take in order to expose yourself more to English. Okay, expose to English for a good amount of time, your mind is so beautiful that it starts to absorb the correct. Okay, and it can make out the difference between right and wrong. Okay, when you continue to speak, grammar will happen automatically, automatically come to your brain, and you will see that you are improving day by day. Okay, so that happens with everyone. Okay, if your grammar is weak, so you can learn this language very easily. So I'm going to give you some points which will help you to fluent in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So the question is that, ma'am, my grammar is very big. I am not good in grammar, but I want to fluent in English. So please tell me some suggestions, some tips. Okay. So first of all, I would like to say you, okay, it's okay if your grammar is not okay. So it's okay, because speaking is a other skill and grammar is a other skill. Okay. Talk about myself. I born in a lower middle class family, but when I brought up at the age of 3 or 4, so I could express my thoughts and idea in my native language. So how did it happen? How did I learn my native language? So first, ask a question from yourself. How did you learn your native language? Okay, were you going any institute at that time? No, you were not. But still you learned your native language. How? Because you saw your elder brother, sister, mother, father, neighbor to speaking in your native language. First you saw them, then you observed them a lot of, and after some time you copied them, and after some time you try to speak, spoke out in a broken language. And at that time, at that time, you had not developed any ego. If you were making mistakes in speak in native language, so at that time you had not developed any ego. So if someone corrected you, so you can easily observe, okay, मैं ठीक कर लूँगा, ठीक है. But now today time, it's very difficult to learn any language, because today time we have developed our ego. Okay, so if your grammar is not good, so you can learn this language as you can learn your native language. ओके आपने जैसे अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज लर्न की है, बिना ग्रामर के, बिना किसी स्कूल में जाए हुए आपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज बोलना सीख लिया. ओके, सो आप नेटिव लैंग्वेज बोलना सीख सकते हैं विदाउट नोइंग ग्रामर. Okay, so for this what you need to do, you need to just approach following approach, top to down level. Now the question is that, what is top down approach? Top approach, top here is a top level, and this is fluent in speaking. Okay, this is a speaking in English fluently, this is a top level. And down level, there is some grammar, some sentence structure, some modal verbs, some phrases. Okay, so what we generally do, this is a blunder mistake that we generally do, and initially time I was also doing these mistakes, but at the point of time I realized that I was making mistakes. My problem is that I am not speaking in English, I can't speak in English. So the solution is that, okay, try to speak in English. Okay, I knew some grammar, modal verbs and phrases, but still I was not able to speak in English. Problem is you're not able to speak in English. Answer is okay. Solution is that, okay, try to speak in English. That's it. Grammar, modal verbs and other thing, it's not going to help you to speak in English. Only practice will help you to speak in English. Okay, so start to do speak in English, try to speak in English. The more you speak, the better you become. Okay, after sometimes, after doing practicing, some grammar rules, some modal verbs, some phrases automatically comes to you. Your mind can easily observe all the things, and your mind understand what is the wrong and what is the right. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just start to speak in English. That's all. Okay, so this is the first suggestion. Okay, now the question is that, ma'am, okay, I can learn this language, but what if I do grammatically mistakes in English, so people will laugh at my English? No, only you are thinking like this. Okay, the good people never laugh. Okay, never laugh. The people who is going to correct you, so then please accept it, your mistakes. Okay, and say thank you so much for correcting me. and try to learn from that mistakes. Try to not do that mistakes again in a future. Okay, so this is the second thing that you have to follow in order to fluent in English. Okay, don't knowing your problem is that, ma'am, my grammar is very weak and can I speak in English? Yes, you can speak in English very easily, but for this you have to follow some suggestion, like learn this language as you learned your native language. Okay, um, get rid of your ego that you have stayed in your mind. Okay, if you are making different type of grammatically mistakes, so what, so what? Okay, there is no one who is going to kill you for making a mistakes. Okay, with the time, over the many months or years, okay, grammars, all the rules, all the things automatically comes to you. Your brain automatically will know what is wrong and what is right. So try to speak in English. Okay, be confident. If you are making a mistake, so try to be confident. And this is the thing that if you follow, then you can easily be speak in English. Okay, initially time when I was learning this language, and I recorded my video for, at the time when I was practicing to speak in English. So what I did, I generally recorded my video and I uploaded on YouTube as it. Okay, not any cut, not any editing, as it I uploaded on YouTube. So most of the people always come and say that, ma'am, you spoke wrongly here, please try to correct this. So I accepted. Okay, thank you for correcting me, and I learned from that mistakes. So if you are making mistakes, okay, in order to fluent in English, so that's okay. It's okay. It's happen. Okay, so do mistakes. It's not a big deal. I know there are many people who born in a area, in a English country area. Also, they are making mistakes, but they have a confidence when they make mistakes. So there is a confidence in speaking terms. So be confident. Please try to speak in English, because grammar, all the rules will automatically come to you. You don't need to learn so much grammar. Okay, some tenses is important initially time, but after that, over the speaking, over the time, all the rules automatically come to you in your mind, and your mind observes, your mind clear, uh, give you symptoms that okay, that it's okay, it's not okay. Okay, so try to speak in English and follow the some suggestion. Try to be a child. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.